Alright, a little update on the Ford. Got this door and half of the cab painted, well, primed, getting ready for the monster liner or whatever I'm using. Summertime runs a little warm. Put this washer or this overflow tank on, and hopefully that might do a little something. Next weekend I'll probably put the electric fans on, get rid of that mechanical fan, and that really should help. What else I got here? Got the new fan and heater core in. Still have to take this door off. Ordered new mirrors, and I'm getting rid of this door. It's all rusted out, bubbled up, dented in, garbage. I've got this one over here. In about 10 minutes here, I'm gonna pull the truck out, get this up on the stands and strip it down. Got a guy coming over to weld up all the 20 mirror holes or so and the trim holes, and I'll have that on in black to match the rest of the truck later on today. I'm gonna back it in. Got this new tailgate. Got rid of the aftermarket garbage and got this new one. I need to finish that up, get that all painted up, and then power wash it, paint the back of the cab and the wiper cowl. Still hasn't been painted yet. That's all I have left to do, and then it's ready to get blown apart again and get some liner on this thing. And what else? I got new springs, rear springs for it, because they're getting old and kind of soft. So I'll replace those right now, and then I'll do the front springs later. Get that all cleaned up, see where it's leaking oil from. I think it's the pan gasket, but I'm putting a rear sump pan on it. So there's that little update on the Ford.